The Audi Q7 that won 30 million landed that year. 8,000 win directly to take this credit car. Looking at the appearance is not a hip pull, right? But it will be psychologically clear. Mechanical designation contested. Let's see if this wave is a leak or a loan. You have the final say on the price after the renovation. The exterior and interior are dismantled. Machinery cannot be dismantled next. Russia can't dismantle it. Loose machine serving. In the end, it's hard to be meatless. Start engine disassembly. Oh! The common problem of reversing is oil leakage and water leakage. This time, let's solve it at once. Such a black engine is extremely rare. It's hard to imagine how little the previous owner cared for him. Another masterpiece by the former repairman. 4 just covered plugs, remove 7 of them. The screw is completely covered by you. The engine is decomposed. Count damaged parts. Confirm that the chain plate is damaged. Dawa slightly strained. Heavy carbon deposits on pistons and piston rings. Ultrasonic cleaning of all parts. Order original accessories. Start engine assembly. Viewfinder screw standard twist. Tightening screw. Replace valve oil pack. Completely eliminate burning oil. The engine is assembled. When refurbishing into the car, the sludge deposited over the years is all flowing. Cleaning completed. Start assembling. The chassis suspension is also broken and updated. Decomposition complete. Clean all parts. Sweep away the rust. Make all the parts look brand new. Final anti-rust treatment. Spray anti-rust diamond paint. Make sure to prevent smog. Start assembling. Upper cavity wax. Eliminate the sense of smell from within. Start body changing. The front car is polished, sitting on the ground to remove oil and dust, and then sprayed with water-based smoke paint. Whole car seat contracting. Looking forward to the final effect. Carpet and car cleaning to remove odor. After the chassis is cleaned, spray chassis armor. Chassis and engine rotation. The car renovation is complete, please. Is this moment destroyed?